Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. We'll continue as usual to talk about the euro currency, but today we'll start directly from the 4-hour chart, since on the daily time frame there is really nothing new that I could add to yesterday's our analysis. Well, yesterday we said that probably still, since the market has reached some significant targets is on the daily time frame. This is the 618 extension from the recent ABC pattern. As on the 4-hour chart, you can see also that market has hit 100% extension from that ABC bottom pattern, has reached that area, and probably we could expect some retracement. Also, we said that for the bullish perspective of the market, it is preferable if market will not move deeper than the area around 143.40, 143.30 areas right here, because this is almost the middle of this thrusting bar to the upside. This is the previous highs that I marked with this dash line. This is also the 4-hour confidence support, and we prefer to not see the erasing of that strong explosive thrusting bar to the upside, just to get some confidence from the market that it's really intent to continue move higher. So the first part of our plan has accomplished. So market really has shown this retracement right to that area, so around 143.50 area. Well, yesterday on the forum we have discussed this moment. This was the butterfly buy on the 5-minute chart that has led to that thrusting move to the upside. But a bit later market has shown returning back and showing the greater lower lows compared to that one. So that's what some kind of wash and rinse, if you want, how we could treat that. Now market showing some, again, another pullback from that area. Well, currently a bit difficult to say. Does market have some chances to break that area to the downside and continue, or it will continue move to the upside? Well, but I think I still think that probably the bullish perspective is more is more probable and greater than the bearish perspective. Even if we would take a look at that ABCD pattern, you see that the nasty explosive, really strong explosive thrusting bar comes right in the area of completement of that ABCD pattern. Okay, that is the bullish sign. Consider that the market accelerates from the 618 target right from the 100%, and even if it led to some retracement, market has some chances to continue move to the upside, because this really strong bar right before the target of that pattern very often leads to the continuation, either to the 127 extension of that ABCD or even to 1618 extension. Taking the close look at the hourly time frame, what do we see here? First of all, if this low will be not below that one, then we could say that probably it could turn to the butterfly sell. But since this low is lower than this one, this couldn't be the butterfly sell or even butterfly buy, because this swing should be greater than that one for both butterflies. So what we could see, what we could expect here? Well, first we see that hourly trend is bullish, as the daily trend. Daily trend is also bullish. Also, you can see that some kind of bullish divergence right here, okay, right from that around that area. And if we will not take into consideration that splashing that has happened yesterday's on the trading session, we could treat it probably as the descending triangle. That could be the continuation pattern. Although the descending triangles very often shows and acts as reversal pattern, this probably could be the continuation, because as I said, this strong bar right to the target of the ABCD pattern. Also, this could turn is the better fly sell, but with the smaller swing. This could be the left shoulder. Oh, sorry, shoulder. This could be left wing. Market could show some retracement lower, and to form the right wing with this better fly, the target 127 extension 145 sharp and 1618 145.42. It's right here. So breakout of this triangle could come from this potential better fly. So there could be a couple of decisions how to trade this pattern. Also, take a look that the strong area of support, the confluence support, for our confluence support stands precisely below the low body of this triangle, and market has not quite reached the 100% extension target from that ABCD. It has turned up again and hasn't quite reached for the 3-4 pips that area. We can exclude that probably market could return right back, showing the breakout and reach this confluence support, but then returns back and accelerates further. This could be the fake breakout of this triangle just to accomplish of that target of this ABCD pattern. That could happen. So if you would like to possess yourself in this trade before the breakout will happen, well, my advice to you is to place stop somewhere below that area of support. Because if you know the directional pattern of the Judd Napoli, it's called this failure triangle pattern, that usually happens, as I said, if some strong area of support stands right below the lower border of the triangle consolidation. Market very often will show fake breakout with reaching that strong area of support, then push from that area to the upside and showing opposite breakout and accelerates to the upside further. This could happen. That's why the logical area to place the stop order is right here. So you should place your stop just below that area. This is the first approach. Because if market will break that area and accelerates to the downside, this will be absolutely logical, because it will break the triangle to the downside, it will break the strong area of support. This is very bearish signs. And your stop that will be placed right here, will be absolutely acceptable in that scenario. The second and the most safe way to enter this market is to wait clear signs of the breakout. Probably it will give you the better entering price, but you will be with the more confidence to enter that position. How it could happen? For instance, if market will start to show the better fly and market accelerates above that area with upper breakout, you can enter on the 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart from the recent swing of the right wing of the butterfly. Okay, just drop your time frame to the 5-minute chart, wait for the retracement on the recent swing, and enter with the nearest fib support area to possess yourself to the breakout. So wait for the clear patterns of the breakout. One of these patterns, as I said, could be in the shape of the butterfly cell. So that's my current view on the situation. In general, market now stands in the, if you let me to say that, in the triangle consolidation. Well, and there are two different ways to possess yourself. If you want to enter inside the consolidation, then place your stop below the confluence support on the 4-hour time frame, because market could show the fake breakout and the triangle breakout failure, and then could quite reverse another side and continue move to the upside. The second approach to trade that is to wait the clear patterns and the signs of the breakout of that triangle. This will give you the worst price to enter, but your position will be safer, and such kind of entry will give you the more confidence with the position.